Love and other fire hazards. This morning, I woke up wanting to tell you that I am a burning house, a lightning stovetop disaster, a sound with no alarms. Maybe at first I was a city, and maybe the Almighty wanted me damned. Maybe I am a hazard, in a place where nothing grows but still. I found a willow who would weep for me, who lets our limbs turn to trees, imagines us blooming. When the sunlight makes shapes at our elbows, and the sheets grow too warm for our skin. You ask me if I want to get fancy coffee. And the answer is always yes. Later, near the swing set, near the railroad, near the memorials lining the freeway, we ring invisible doorbells at the playground. You are the strange and sudden mailman. I am the girl who invites you to stay. And as we stroll past slides and awnings and build homes from plastic roofs, I want to tell you of the space my pulse will make for you. How yes, that is the living room, and yes, it's filled with flames. But if you wanted to dance, I'd still let you wreck the furniture. And as we press our palms to our centers and imagine the songs that could sleep there, I wonder how to tell you how the last person who fit my head against their heartbeat burned my bones and burst my vessels with the same hands. But you assemble the stars in my bedroom. You offer your wrists for glitter and ink. You drink the sparks that line your coffee cup and taste only sacredness. How uncanny and how grateful I am to be the fire you walk through anyway. To know a love, a feeding inferno. Love, a tender severity. Love, the storm and the shelter, all at once.